Jake has asked, how difficult is it to get a stock ECU to run in parallel with an aftermarket ECU? So very, very dependent on how complex the car is that you're tuning, basically the generation of that car, how old or how new it is. As the cars have become more sophisticated and the ECUs have become more sophisticated, it is getting more difficult to piggyback a factory ECU because the ECU is starting to look for open circuit signals on things like the injectors. It's got feedback from the ignition coil, so it knows if there's a misfire, things like that, which are very, very hard to replicate. On some of the older vehicles though, it was quite easy to piggyback the system, something we did a fair bit so that we could keep a factory automatic transmission working. We'd just have the factory ECU thinking that it was controlling the engine, but the aftermarket ECU would be piggybacking the key signals and then controlling directly the fueling and the spark. But yeah, on a very current generation car, that would be all but impossible.
That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and you're the type of guy who wants to expand your knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about performance engine building and EFI tuning, and you'll also have the chance to ask your own questions, which I'll be answering live. Remember, it's 100% free, so follow the link to claim your spot.